All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Monday morning. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. As we are, guys, in a trade right now on ByBit, baby. Over on ByBit, baby. Shout out to Carl from the Moon over on ByBit. Shout out to Crypto over on ByBit. Shout out to Jason Casper over on ByBit. All right, because we are back, baby, in action with the Palu ID. Trading over on ByBit, baby. All right. Feels good to be back, man. A huge shout out to the sponsors of this channel, like ByBit. All right, over on ByBit. And also, who else sponsors the channel? We got good old MEXC in the house. All right, in a Bitcoin long trade over here on MEXC, as well as over here on ZOOMEX. All right, we're in a few Bitcoin long trades overall, totaling over $300,000 worth of longs. And yeah, who else we got to shout out? We got to shout out Market Cipher, Crypto Face. We got to shout out Apex, our official funded trader program. All the links to this stuff, guys, in the description. Also, a huge shout out to the Casper crew VIP Discord, because the trade we're currently in right now is a trade that I did take live during the New York Open live stream this morning. And let's see if this trade gets stopped out. Basically, guys, what has happened is we came down to an area of support here. We're getting a little bounce. I hit 2 take profits. This white box must hold. If the white box doesn't hold, we're going lower, y'all. We're going lower, y'all. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. First of all, huge shout out to Boyan in the house. Shout out to Splashfire Films. Shout out to Joshy. He's a lifer. Shout out to RS Schwartz ATX. Happy Monday. What is going on, my man? Shout out to Joe Cutter. Shout out to Simano, who shout out J-Boy Bullish. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Shout out to FitGenius618. Shout out to Simano. Guys, if we can get 1,000 likes in the first half hour, we will be giving away 1,000 USDT, baby. All right, we will be giving away 1,000 USDT. Is MEXC going to require KYC? Yes. So, in the meantime, guys, there's other exchanges that we can trade on other than MEXC. Yeah, boy, and this is ByBit, bro. We're trading on ByBit, baby. All right. Shout out to Luke Hemming. Shout out to Random Stuffs TV. Shout out to Lane Colson Adventures. Shout out to Florian. Why did I take the long? Well, we were bouncing from the 786, and I just felt it in my bones, man. Really, that's the real reason. I just felt it in my bones, bro. All right. Why am I using cross leverage? You should see on Twitter, all right? Look, this is no joke. All right? Look on Twitter. Wait a second. I thought I posted this on Twitter. I guess I didn't post this on Twitter. I didn't post this stream on Twitter? Hang on. Did I forget to post it? I might have forgot to post it. I thought I posted this stream on Twitter. I said I'm in an extremely dangerous, high leverage long trade. This is very dangerous, risky business stuff, guys. 72x cross leverage. Very dangerous stuff, all right? The reason why I'm on cross is because I forgot to put it back to isolated, y'all. All right? Let's see. Shout out to Creekside Patriot. Shout out to FitGenius618 on X. Nah, I mean Twitter, bro. I mean Twitter, not X. Yeah, white box needs to hold. The reason why the white box needs to hold is because it is the 618, 786 fib zone, right? And we currently are rejecting from the 618 fib here, right? That's why we hit a take profit up here at the 618. And yeah, so let's see. Let's see how this goes, guys. Let's see how she goes. I have high hopes. I have high hopes. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. All right, well, let's talk about Bitcoin. What's happening here? It is a new month. It's the month of June. Are we going to moon in June? Are we going to moon in June? We're going to discuss, because look at this, guys. When we go to the 2-month time frame here, man, I have to say, this candle looks like absolute poo. It looks like somebody, it looks horrible, right? It looks like somebody took bananas and blueberries and put them in a blender and left it out in the sun for 3 weeks, drank it down, threw it up, ate it again, and pooped it out all over the patio. That's exactly what this 2-month candle looks like here. But look, the month of May is over. And I do have to say, the month of May candle may, the month of May give us a little bit of hope here. Why? Well, because we're still within the sideways range here, and depending on how this June candle goes, I would say if we can close this June candle above the key level of 71.4, we might actually see a move to the upside. Now, let's talk about the weekly time frame on Bitcoin. Weekly time frame, as we know, a few weeks ago, did confirm the green dot. All right, that was 2 weeks ago. Now, this is the second week since confirming the green dot. Now, it's pretty dang rare that green dots on the weekly... Excuse me, I'm choking on my coffee, or I'm choking on the uneven butt cheeks on the mug. All right, let me get another sip. It's pretty rare that a green dot doesn't give us a significant move of sorts, right? Now, when I look at the weekly and then I go down to lower time frames, like, for example, the 4-day, this 4-day to me does not look very bearish. It looks like the VWAP is reluctant to touch that zero line. It looks like the momentum wave wants more upside. And then we come to the daily. What do we see on the daily? Man, we are seeing the money flow crossing into the blue. And look at this as well on the daily, guys. The last time the money flow came into the purple, it was higher than the previous time before that. And so let's see if we can get the money flow now on the daily to continue in this money flow uptrend here, right? When we go down to the 4-hour time frame, first of all, this momentum wave, she does look like she could top out at some point, right? But I do want to bring to your attention what happened right down here over the weekend, because this is quite interesting. This is quite interesting. And even if we take out this low, what is happening right now is quite interesting. Let's look at all the volume of this range here. We're going to go ahead and pull our volume profile across the entirety of this. All right. Would you look at that? Boom. We are holding above the high volume node of the range. All right. Holding above the high volume node of the range. In addition, if we take a look at the more local range right here, we are holding above the value area high of the more local range. And we also know that we had an introverted head and shoulders pattern printing right here, where we had our left shoulder, our head, and then our right shoulder. And our breakout target for this is going to be approximately a new high, right? Approximately a new high on the Bitcoin price. Now, holding this level of support is very, 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 very key, because we don't need to be a rocket scientist or an expert to see that this level, I mean, this is just such an important level. It's a high volume node. It's the value area high of the local range. It's a horizontal support resistance flip that we can see with our naked eyes. All right, let's see how our long is doing. Ugh! It's looking like crap, guys. Looking like absolute poo. So, yeah, it's looking like garbaggio right now. Sheesh. Hang on. Let me just. There we go. Just gonna shave a little bit of profit out, guys. You know, just in case. I want to make a certain amount on this. Let's get back to our analysis here, because I can't trade and I cannot trade and stream at the same time. So look, as long as we hold this level, things are looking pretty good. Now, when we look at our 4-hour time frame, we are seeing the coveted uneven butt cheek pattern on the 4-hour as we are coming down to these lows, right? As we come down to these lows, we are seeing the coveted uneven butt cheek pattern on market Cipher B, right? Deep momentum wave, shallow momentum wave. What does this mean? Well, here's what it means, guys. It means that even if, let's say, we come down to take Saturday's lows again, and we come back down to this key zone of support, shout out to Big Butts 28, we come down to this key zone of support, we could still see multiple drive now of uneven butt cheek on the 4-hour, with the money flow getting thicker, which is very, very, very bullish. All right, what would that print on the chart? It would print the, hang on. All right. I hope Safe Search is on here. It would print the pig nipple market Cipher B pattern. All right, the pig nipple pattern where you've got the pig nipples down below. And these pig nipples, what are they full of? They're full of pig milk. Pig milk is full of proteins, colostrums, fats, carbohydrates, everything a young pig needs to become the biggest pig at the fair in the next year, which means Bitcoin could become the biggest crypto at the fair in a year if we confirm this pig nipple pattern down at the support that we have down here. All right, so things are not looking to. I'm feeling a little bit bullish, man. But we have to talk about the elephant in the room. All right, speaking of fairs, we need to talk about the elephant in the room. What's the elephant in the room? The monthly. Oh, say it's not so. But guys, we have officially confirmed a bearish divergence red dot on the monthly time frame. Would you look at that? Oh my goodness, scary and fearful. In fact, I might change the background of my thumbnail from blue to red because of this red dot. What does this red dot mean? Poof! Bearish divergence, the money flow and momentum waves getting lower. The dreaded, scary, upside down Sam Bankman-Fried man boob pattern on the monthly time frame. This is a signal that only does print on the Bitcoin all-time highs. All right, I'm not gonna sugarcoat this. When Sam Bankman-Fried's nipples and his money flow are getting lower as the price is getting higher, that is something that only happens at all-time highs. So last time we saw this happen, guys, was back here. All right. Is this the end of the world for Bitcoin? I've said it before, and I will say it once again. I am still, right now, as we speak, in the bullish camp. And the reason I am, all right, this is not financial advice. If I'm wrong here, I will lose out on quite a bit of money myself because I hold a lot of Bitcoin on spot, quite a bit. Now, based on the 4-year cycle, which I'm still going on because it's all I got, man. It's all I got. The 4-year cycle, that is not the top, right? The 4-year cycle is not the top. And we have seen in the past red dots print along the way up when it wasn't the all-time high yet, bearish divergences on the monthly and money flow coming down on the monthly. It wasn't the top yet. I am looking for the Bitcoin all-time high market cycle top to come in between February and May of 2025. So when we look at this monthly red dot as well, I do want to just point something out. When we look at just the shape of market Cipher, it doesn't look that bad yet. All right, it doesn't look that bad yet. And depending on what happens in June, I think will really determine whether or not this is a real red dot, or if we play a game of red dot, green dot, similar to this back here where we get the red dot, then right away we get a green dot. Now, we never confirmed the red dots back there, but we've seen this happen many a time. Look at the weekly, for example, right? Right here, play a game of red dot, green dot. We get the red dot, and yeah, we get a little bit of a range, we get a little bit of a pullback, but really, then we get that green dot, it brings us to the next level, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking at the monthly, based on the 4-year cycle. Could I be wrong? I could be wrong. I am not looking to sell my spot Bitcoin anytime soon. But what I am looking for, if let's say this monthly red dot does lead us to more downside, and really June is a very important month right now. June is a very important month because the 2 monthly chart, the way this candle closes is going to be a real teller for us. Right? The way this 2-month candle closes is going to be a real teller. Obviously, if the candle on the monthly closes below where the previous monthly candle closed, that's a really bad sign, right? Confirmed red dot in the 2-month. We don't want to see that. We don't want to see that. But if this candle, like I said, closes above our level of 71.4-ish, man, that's not bearish. That's not bearish. Right, so let's say though that this monthly does give us another push to the downside. Where are we looking to find support? Well, for me, I'm really looking at this area right around here. The high 40s, low 50s. This is a beautiful support resistance flip, and because I do not believe that the top is in, and I believe we have more time for Bitcoin and crypto in general, this is the juicy support resistance flip that could give us the trade of the market cycle, the last one, the last major trade that we have here to get us to that next all-time high, right? So let's say we hit 120,000. You know, that's a 150% move on Bitcoin, which is crazy for Bitcoin. Obviously, altcoins and stuff, you can get a lot juicier gains, but this could be the big move for the Bitcoin price. Now, this is the Coinbase chart. Let's take a look at the volume on the Coinbase chart. Very interesting stuff here. This is actually coming in right around that value area high as well. So yeah, this is obviously major support resistance flip. If we are going to get a big move down, this is where we're going to find our first major support, because this is the only place that we have really, if we're going to be looking at the higher term time frames, higher than the weekly, this box is really the only place where we have any support on the way up, right? Because of this little thing that happened in January at the macro golden pocket from the all-time high to the bottom of the bear market, right? We got a little rejection from that 618 level, and we could see that this is where our support's going to be. That's where our support's going to be. Now, if we lose this, then I'm wrong, and I've missed out on hundreds and hundreds and thousands of millions of billions of dollars, right? But that's where I'm at right now. And let's check out the local Bitcoin here. Okay, so Bitcoin is coming down. All right, so we took a little long trade. I'm in a little long trade here. This white box must hold. One of two things is going to happen here. Either we do this and we put in another higher high, or we lose that box and we're actually going to come quite a bit lower here. And we should be looking for a trade from a lower level. We will be taking a look at our lower time frame market Cipher Bs real quick and just kind of assess the situation on Bitcoin. Wow, look at that. We bounced right from the value area high of the range. Yeah, so, yeah, let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens down here. I'm going to set a little bit of an alert if we take out that wick, which we very well may. Let's check out our 12-minute market cipher. Oh, man, it's pretty ambiguous. I'll be honest with you guys. It's a little bit ambiguous on what's going to happen here. All right, shout out to everybody in the chat. That would be very low. I mean, the high 40, the high 40s, low 50s is not that low. All right, what's up, bro? Shout out to you, man. Sorry for making things awkward. Shout out to Krasmir from the Czech Republic. Shout out to AFY TV official. What indicator is that? It is market cipher. It's my favorite indicator. All right, let's see here. Oh man, huge shout out to Splashfire Films, huge shout out to I Trust Crypto, huge shout out to Daki in the chat, and a huge shout out to Pedro Morales. He says, hey Jason, can you take a look at Bonk? Yeah, we could take a look at Bonk today. Let's take a look at Bonk right now for my man Pedro. All right, this box must hold. Let's check out the order flow, actually, what's happening here. We have shorts actually opening up. Maybe, just maybe, we can absorb a few shorts. We had a lot of shorts opening this whole way, and they're holding their positions, guys. They are convicted that we are going down. These shorts are convicted we are going down. We're at the VWAP right now. A lot of shorts shorting the VWAP. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. All right, for my man Pedro, we're going to take a look at Bonk. All right, Bonk. Good old Bonk. Yeah, so let's remove all this analysis here. I do have to say this, guys, for Bonk. When I'm looking at the chart, she looks kind of bullish here, right? She looks kind of bullish. She looks like a nice bottom starting to form. What I would really like to see here on Bonk is I would love to see the price come down to retest this level right here. This is a major support resistance flip. Now, bear with me here. Remember, what do we like to see on these charts? We'd like to see stuff like this, right? Stuff like this, right? Let's see here. Stuff like this. Stuff like this. And so if we do come down to take out all, like, you got to think also, people are putting their stop losses below these levels, right? People think they caught the bottom here. They can put their stops below this level. The reality is, until we reclaim this level right here, there's no real sign of strength on the chart yet. We're still in a downtrend, high, low, lower high, lower low, potentially making a lower high. If we do get another move down to test this key support resistance flip right here, right? Well, we would see on the chart something very juicy. Something like this. Exactly what we want to see. The uneven butt cheek pattern. The juicy left cheek full of ravioli, gravy, ricotta cheese, spinach pie from the diner. What's that stuff called? I don't know. You go to the Greek diners. Anyone from the East Coast? Go to the Greek diners in like New York City area. North Jersey. They got that spinach pie stuff. What's that called? That's what the butt cheek's full of. Right butt cheek, not full of any of that stuff. Right butt cheek's on a diet. Bam, man. Grab all the liquidity. Get a little bounce. Support resistance flip. That looks pretty dang nice, right? Let's even take a little look at the volume here. Pull all this here. Okay, nah, this doesn't give me exactly what I want to see, so let's forget about that. Let's go ahead and pull a fib from low to high. Well, wow. Well, gee whiz. Would you look at that? Look at that right on the Fibonacci 618 golden pocket. That's exactly what we want to see. All right, because what do we know about the golden pocket? The golden pocket. She is the 618 level. 6Juanita, our high school crush. Whenever I asked her on a date, she would reject me from resistance. You can see here I asked her out on a date. 6Juanita, will you go get pizza with me after school? Turns out she's gluten-free and vegan. She says, no, Jason, you're gross. She rejected me. But here's the thing. She won't date me, but we're in the friend zone, which means she will be there for support. When I need a shoulder to cry on after getting rejected, she will be there to offer me support. Don't worry, Jason. Someday you will find love. Absolutely beautiful. We can see everything we want to see down there. Shout out to my man with the super chat on Bonk. Bitcoin is very boring the past 3 months. I don't know. This is the most exciting Bitcoin price action I've ever seen in my life. All right. All right. So what happened to Berkshire? What happened to Berkshire Hathaway? Let's see if I can. Something happened to it. Hang on. I can't type and walk at the same time. I thought something crazy happened to Berkshire Hathaway. I don't know. I'm probably looking at the wrong ticker. I thought we got some kind of crazy dump. Maybe I'm definitely looking at the wrong ticker. I'm looking at the wrong ticker. All right. All right. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Please focus on Bitcoin. I mean, look, Bitcoin, this is the deal. The white box must hold. If Bitcoin doesn't hold the white box, that's it. That's it. We're done and we're over. We're done and we're over. All right? We're done and we're over. If we do hold the white box, we're going up to 70,850, which is my next take profit. All right? 70,850. All right? Now, I'm still in a few Bitcoin trades here. This is not my only one. All right? We're still in this trade from the setup that we gave in the Casper crew. Back on, man, I don't even know, on the 22nd of May. All right? And I'm still in this long as well from... When was this trade? This was a setup, I guess, that we gave a long time ago. It happened on a Friday. Happened on a Friday, the 10th of May. So, let's see. Let's see how these trades work out, man. You know, I'm also still in that hedge short that I've been in for a long time. So right now I'm in 4 Bitcoin positions. I'm in a short trade from 70,700. I'm short from 70,700 right here. $250,000 position. And then I'm in about $300,000 worth of long trades on various exchanges. Are the tunes quiet today? We'll have to raise them up, baby. All right, shout out to Snowcash. Thanks for letting me know about my quiet tunes. All right, guys, make sure to smash up the likes because we have 1 minute for our $1,000 giveaway. In fact, maybe we'll extend the giveaway. Maybe if we can get 1,000 likes within the next few minutes, we'll do a giveaway. But in the meantime, I do Let's see. This Bitcoin is gonna hodl here. Just gonna hodl here. All right. Shout out to Milkshake Memory. My short-term bias, Melchizedek Lockwood. I have to say, my short-term bias is a little bit more bullish based on these higher-term timeframes. A little bit more bullish based on these higher-term timeframes. All right, guys. I'm about to bring in my man Boyan from the Casper crew. All right, this dude is a trading monster. All right, literally one of the best traders I know. These are all the setups that he took and gave in the Casper crew VIP Discord last week. And I want to bring him in and ask him about what he thinks about this price action. Because a lot of times he helps me get some clarity here when I am not as clear. So I'm going to bring him in and see what he says about this Bitcoin price action. Yo. Yo, what's going on, my man? Yeah, bro, I'm always on the treadmill, you know? Let me see if I can pop your voice in here, because I don't think anyone else can hear you. All right. Say some stuff, bro.
I'm saying some stuff. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. I can hear you. 1 second. 1 second.
Right.
1 second.
Okay.
I actually can't hear you. All right. Say some other stuff, bro.
Yo.
The people can hear you, but I can't hear you. Isn't that a bummer? The people can hear you, but I can't hear you. Let me see if I can fix that real quick, all right? Because I do want to know what you think about this price action. All right, bro. Can you say some stuff?
Hello.
Cool, man. All right.
What's up? Can everyone hear me?
Yeah, so what do you think about this price action, man?
There we go. Interesting price action. Let me share my screen.
Yeah, let's see if we can see it.
Boom, you should be able to see it.
Yeah, I think I can.
It's perfect. So, yeah, interesting price action. This morning, we had a plan in the Discord on the London Open to look for a long around here. The long was off of this previous high. Basically, the bias was really bullish. I expected new highs and expected the daily low to be in for Monday. And when I went live, it was around here, right around this high, and that high wasn't, in my opinion, wasn't the best high. So I was expecting a bit higher. So this was around the time I streamed. I was expecting a bit higher, and then basically it was full long mode. I was just looking for longs. Then the first pullback was around that 68,800 area, and this was basically what I had drawn. I expected a deeper pullback. Um, almost view up to catch up, maybe a deeper pullback, but in the end it was still a really good trade. This drawing was like basically when we were here, so this drawing has not been changed at all since this morning. We did make a new high, but we came down, we back tested that high, and that's where I took my first long. We had an initial move up, of course, took some profit above the high, and then we had a pullback right before the pre-market, and then off to new highs. I did mention in Discord when we had a pullback that I'm not really too concerned. In my opinion, this is still really bullish, and I'm still hanging my long. And yeah, that's when we had the second move up, which ended up going above this previous high from last Thursday. And there was a potential short. I said there is potentially we can SFP it, but I wasn't really keen on shorting today, just because of the kind
The
of the
goal.
how Monday is set up. There was a potential. I did set an alert. When my alert got hit, I just jumped on the charts to see what's going on. I just took some profit. I saw this level getting back tested once, twice, and then the move up. So there really nothing to short there. Um, so
Did
I
you
didn't take that short.
are you still in that long or are you out?
Yeah, I'm still in that long. So actually, I did add to that long. So we moved up, and then on the move down, I was looking for a place to add to my long, and the first place was around here, 69 200. But again, I said there's really no reason to be aggressive to add there. I would rather wait to see the reaction, and good thing I waited because we had a deeper pullback. We took out the lows.
Yeah.
We took out the lows here, and then when we went up, this is where I added to that trade. And that's, I mean, I said that in Discord as well. This is where I'm adding just as I added. And it was up against resistance. This was VWAP, but it ended up being good because we
So are
reclaimed
you still
VWAP.
looking for higher?
Yeah, I took profit at 69 623, I think it was. And I'm still in the long, but if I get I have moved stop to entry. So if I get stopped, I am no longer looking for higher because um, this is a good high in my opinion. If we take out this low, then it's a bit more bearish.
People say you
Uh,
sound high. My man
I
G, he
sound
asked if
high?
you're high. You just said this is a good high. So you're not high, are
No,
you?
no, no,
Okay.
no. I'm not
Boyd's not
high.
into that, all right? He's
I'm
into the
not
gym
really.
like me, man. Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
We're
Yeah.
gym heads.
Yeah, we're gym heads. But what was I gonna say? Dang it. I hate when I forget. Are you bullish in general, bro? Cause I just came out here, and I said, I'm bullish, man. The real King Solomon is bearish. Matty Lambo says you
Oh
sound like
no,
Carl from the moon. Are you Carl from the
I
moon?
don't think so.
He
No,
doesn't think so.
I don't have a. I don't have a what is it? A Bugatti? What?
You don't have a Bugatti?
No, no, no. Unfortunately, not.
Then what do you drive?
I drive a Lamborghini tractor.
A Lamborghini tractor. Nice, bro.
Yeah,
That's another thing we got in common. You know,
yeah. I stole that one from you.
you
You
stole it from
stole
me.
the tread. You stole the treadmill. I stole the tractor.
Dang, I haven't actually checked. I gotta go look in the tractor shed over there. All right. So, like, I'm still long, bro. Like, I've took a long from that low, and I need some financial advice. Like, do you think we're gonna continue up today, or do you think we're gonna take those weekend lows? Because that low on the weekend on Saturday, um, she looks like she kind of wants to get taken out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but I actually don't mind that low here. I think we leave it. We'll leave it as is. In my
You like
opinion,
it?
we can continue higher. And the past 2 weeks, we've been having like inside weeks. So previous week high or that week's high never got taken out. Previous week high still here, and it is looking like you could say, or not anymore, but it was looking like a triangle ready to get broken out. In my opinion, this could be either the breakout or the fake out, but I would prefer higher to go for that previous week high and then eventually a new all-time high.
Yeah, yeah. I like the way you
But
talk, bro.
if but if we do reverse here, I mean, you have a very kind of clear invalidations in my opinion. Should you start losing like around that 68 500, maybe even this low at 68 200, in my opinion, you're looking towards the lows. I think these then become open for taking because this is one, two, three lows next to each other. So if we are going down, maybe it would be then kind of reversed, where I currently think that this could be the weekly low, and then we just have an expansion up, but it could be the reverse, where this is the weekly high, you start trading inside, having some bearish backtest, and then next thing you know, you are looking at those lows there, and then this is the weekly high instead of that being the weekly low. So really, a Monday on Bitcoins are really, really important, from just my statistics and experience. So
Yeah,
I'm
talk about
really,
that, bro. Because for me, Mondays don't mean a dang thing, bro. It's just range day. So why are
yeah,
Mondays important?
usually you get a significant move either on Sunday night or Sunday evening, depends where you're at. Before the weekly open, you
Mhm.
get a move, um, and that move expands into Monday usually, and then you place a nice high or a nice low, and that usually stays throughout the day or the week, kind of like what you have down here. That is usually, uh when you put in a low like that, usually that stays like the Monday low and potentially the weekly low. So that's why this morning when I came on, I was more looking just for longs and
Boy, and
was
bro,
thinking
we,
that
we
that's
gotta
the
we gotta
low.
pause, bro. We gotta pause
Oh
because
no.
Bitcoin right now is coming down to the
Oh
to the
no.
fib, the golden pocket, and we need some help, bro. Tell me what's happening. Tell me what I need to do. Should I close my long? Should I keep it open?
100x your account.
I'm 72x. We're
You
dripping
have
through,
to add a
bro.
bit more. You have to
You
add a bit more.
I have to add more? All right. Should we add more
Yes,
leverage?
that's
Okay.
always the solution.
Boyne says add more leverage. Here we go, baby. We're going to do it. Let's see. Our leverage. Crank it up to 100, baby. 100x cross. Okay, we're 100x. Boyne, help me out, bro. What do I need to do?
But now you just wait. You have you have nothing else to do.
Am I gonna get stopped out, you think?
Now it's up to the market.
Okay. All right. I was hoping you would tell me the answer. Make sure to smash up the like button, y'all. We're 100x cross, long, in a dump. My man Boyan's on the line. All right. We got 1,100 people in the chat. We only got 400 likes. All right. Now let's see
Crank
here.
up the crank up the likes, y'all.
Crank up the likes, y'all.
There we go.
I'm gonna take a quick look. We're below VWAP. This is not looking great. It's not looking good at all. Yeah. So honestly, like,
Yeah, losing view up isn't. I cannot share Excel because I'm sharing just TradingView.
we're probably gonna come
But
down to around like 68k, give or take.
there is some bullish divergence if you zoom out, CVD that is. But I wouldn't.
You wouldn't bet the
I
farm.
wouldn't bet the farm. Yeah.
All right, let's pull a fib from Saturday's low here.
I think it's not over. I mean, until that low at 68,500 gets lost, I think we're still good.
Okay. Thank you, Boyan. I really appreciate you, man. I'm gonna put a little
Of
love on my
course.
chart at the 618 here. And do you have any other oh, we're getting a bounce, baby. That's what happens when you 100x the whole dang account. It's not the whole
There we
account.
go.
All right. I'm gonna pop it back onto your screen, bro. I'm gonna pop it back onto your screen because do you have any other juicy tidbits here for the fine ladies and gentlemen in the chat? We need your
Um,
TA expertise.
if we do reject from here, we do have a negative target of 66, 700, 800. Sorry, 800 right at the low down there. But if you're if you're down at the low, you might as well take it, and if you take that low, you might as well take all of them. So if we
Oh
do
my
reject
goodness.
from here, it's a bearish a long way down to Around the first support is 65. The first real good support is 65 something. We have a daily there. 65 200, 65 700, around those prices, below all of these lows. I really wouldn't be too excited long anything here. I know we can have bounces and we probably will have bounces, but in my opinion, I would short those bounces and look for a target for 65 something,
Yeah, or
around
64
below
even,
those lows.
Dang, man. All right.
But
Well,
it's not over yet. We can hold here and just have a bounce.
yeah, it's not over until the fat lady sings, they say.
Yeah, that's what they say.
Yeah. Someone asked if I'm tall or
Where's the
short.
one?
I'm 6'3". I'm tall. And I'm nervous. Shout out to Boyan. You need a 50% discount in the Discord. The 50% discount ended. That was last month. Maybe we'll do another again. All right.
Yeah, maybe soon.
Yeah.
Um, we can run a discount on my birthday.
We'll
It's
run a
coming up.
discount on your birthday, huh?
Yeah, we can do something like that.
When's your birthday? I forget.
It's 14th of June.
Oh,
I
nice, bro.
turned 89.
89. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, Boyan's been
Yeah.
trading like since the Great Depression times. 89,
Yeah, we had some
2024 minus
volatility
89
back.
equals exactly 1929.
Yeah. We had a lot of volatility back in the day.
Yeah.
Now not so much.
Yeah. Man, Bitcoin was crazy back in the 50s, right?
Yeah, back in the 50s when Satoshi was coding it. Crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. All right, bro. Well, hope you have a great day, man. Anything else you want to say to the people?
Um, I think that's it. There's a big dump on ES going on right now, filling all the single prints.
Should we check it out?
Um, filling all the single prints from Friday. Friday we had a massive squeeze up, and then we hit our first support here at after the open 5 p.m. my time. Had a little um consolidation and now breaking down again, and this is the second really important support at previous day equilibrium. So I am looking for long, so one eye on Bitcoin, the other eye on the ES, looking for a potential bounce from here. This was the second area I was interested in this morning. I did take this long, so this is basically for here as well. We do cover ES on the London Open. I did take that long. I was aiming for a new high that my TP never got hit there, but I did take profit, just not at a new high. And then this one I also did a quick scalp, but I didn't. I scratched that one for a yeah, basically scratched it for break even, and then now still again looking for a long. Unfortunately, I didn't get into a short, even though there were some opportunities. We back tested view up nicely on the 1 minute. I just wasn't really paying attention, but this would have been a good short right there when we back test once, twice, three, four times, couldn't do it, and then that was the best opportunity in my opinion for a short today. You would have been in a really nice 200 ticks on ES. That's quite a bit.
Yeah, man. All right, so look, if we can get 1,000 likes in the next 10 minutes, we'll give away VIP Discord for 2 months. 2 months free membership. Smash up the
Awesome.
likes.
Smash the likes. I did like myself. Maybe I'll get the VIP. Free VIP. I
Yeah, man.
can I can gift it to someone.
Yeah.
All
All
right,
right, bro.
perfect. Hope
Thanks
you
for
have a
popping
nice
in.
stream. I'll talk to y'all next time.
All right, peace, bro. All right, y'all. That was Boyan from the Casper Crew VIP Discord. One of our instructors. A great trader. And a good guy in general. Let's get this music pumping again. All right. All right, hang on. I gotta... There we go. There we go, baby. All right. So, yeah, I am trading on ByBit again, guys. This is ByBit. This is ByBit. I'm back on ByBit. I got the Paula ID or whatever. And we are back on ByBit, baby. This is the first trade I've taken on ByBit. So, I'm excited to be back, baby. I'm excited. Boyan sounds like a character. Boyan's the man, bro. Alright. Shout out to R Pink. He says, Mizmor le David Adonai Ro'i lo echsar, which means a psalm of David. Adonai is my shepherd. Most people translate it, I won't need anything. Chasar. Alright, let's see who else we got here. Shout out to Darren Does Things. Is Crypto... Oh, yo, shout out to CryptoFace in the chat. Yo, CryptoFace, man. This is my first trade on ByBit since 2023, bro. Because I got that Pulau ID or whatever it is, man. So it feels good to be on ByBit. You know, it feels good. But this trade isn't feeling so good, man. This trade ain't feeling so good. Shout out to CryptoFace, alright? Shout out to CryptoFace and shout out to Market Cipher. I'm pretty sure I still have a 15% discount because I think the Memorial Day discount is over. But if I'm not mistaken, I still have a discount for 15% if you use the coupon code JCMC. If I remember correctly. It's in the description. Is the Palau ID expensive? Nah. I mean, I think it's pretty cheap. I think it's like $1,000 for 10 years or something. It's worth it, in my opinion. It's worth it. Shout out to my man Tony English. Shorts are opening. All right, let's take a quick look back at the what's happening here. All right, we are getting a bounce from this level here, not this level. I guess this 786. This 786 right here is where we got the first bounce from. Man, and now we're back testing the local golden pocket, which is why it needs to hold, right? This box right here is the box that needs to hold. So let's see what's going on here on these medium and lower term time frames. The 6-minute money flow, not so bad. Let's check out the 3-minute. Not so good, honestly. Let's check out the 2-minute. Okay, all right. Okay, let's check out our 5-second, our favorite. Now the 5-second, I don't see anything really too good on the 5-second either. All right, let's check out our 12-minute. Not looking so great either. All right. If we continue to dump here, guys, I would expect that we come down to the golden pocket from the low to the high. Just makes the most sense to me. Right around 68K. We could also potentially come down to this golden pocket right here, 68.4, because we do have a pretty interesting support resistance flip right there. If we go ahead and pull all the volume in this little local range, the majority of the volume is below us, man. So that would really make me think coming down toward that 68 area where we have the POC is more likely. Let's pull some local volume here. Yeah, that 68 looks much nicer. So scary stuff, scary times. White box must hold. If white box holds not, then we are taking a loss, baby. We're taking a loss on this one, all right? We're going to take a loss on this one. Actually, we're not going to take a loss. We're going to lose 0.0035 Bitcoin. 0.0035. 0.0035 Bitcoin, which means we'll still have 0.02 Bitcoin, which is fine for me. All right, treadmill stopping. Looks like we're mimicking the SMP. Tom Crown in the house. Yo, Tom Crown, what's going on, man? You're the man, bro. Thanks for being in here. Everybody go subscribe to Tom Crown on YouTube. Best crypto trader YouTuber in the world. Honestly, Tom Crown and Crypto Lifer are the two best, I think, crypto YouTubers in the world right now. Traders. Coming in every single day, putting in the work, going above and beyond. Tom Crown and Crypto Lifer, that's where it's at, all right? Putting in the hard work, putting in the consistency, putting in the good content, putting in the value to the community. That's what's up. Make sure to subscribe to those guys. All right, we need a good rap to motivate Bitcoin. I don't know. You know what we need to motivate me to rap is 1,000 likes. You know, that's what we need to motivate me to rap is 1,000 likes. Yeah, let's see. I'll see. Tom Crown, you want to pop in, man? You want to pop in? Give us your thoughts. Oh, Tom Crown's about to go live. All right, Tom Crown's about to go live, guys. So make sure to go over to Tom Crown and check out his stream as well. All right. All right, let's see. Tom Crown. All right, Tom Crown's about to go live. Make sure to go check out his stream. Not Crypto Lifer. You don't like Crypto Lifer? Why don't you like Crypto Lifer, bro? He's the man. He's the man. All right, this box ain't holding. All right, guys. Well, you know what? I'm going to head out, all right? It's been a good stream. We've been on for about an hour. Make sure to go check out Tom Crown. He's about to go live really soon, so you don't want to miss the juiciness over on his channel. I will be back later this week. May God bless everybody in Jesus' name, even if you are not religious. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.